Okay guys, another video. What's in the box? I have bought this one on online Tabo, Chinese this online shopping platform. They have everything that. Oh, okay, it's open already. Okay, so this is the cleaver. This is attached. This is okay. Oh man, this is the, as you can see, this is a fiber cleaver, and that you use to splice. Cut the fiber cable, the fiber, and just so it's really light. I think it was the metal, but it's a plastic one. But it's plastic. The top one is, I think, is I don't know, kit mix something. But anyway, so I bought this one so that I can do the patching for this fiber cable, and that I'm trying to do the extend my backbone, network backbone at home, and I want to see if I can use the fiber as a backbone. So for this one reason, to do the what do you call to splice, it is not the splice them, but just to add this pigtail, okay, the connector, and there's a fiber cable that ISP has given, and it's a really long one. I think that I can use that cable and just crimp this one onto this pigtail and extend to the from one location to another location using the SFP or using the old ISP router. That's the another plan that I'm trying to speed up my network with the backbone. So anyway, so this is a cleaver, so this is how it looks, and I think this is the way you okay, how do you open? Okay, there's a lock. You press this one, open like this. Okay, and then there's a sub. Okay, there's I don't think you can see or not. Okay, this is the one how it cuts. Just put it in there and do this one. So I need to do the practice on this one. So anyway guys, this is how it looks, the cleaver, and I bought it on the package. So this is the pigtail, what do you call this one? Anyway, this is a connector, the fiber connector, and it's the snapped in, snapped out, so it's easy to use. And then this is a fiber measuring that how much you need to, just before you strip the fiber glass and put it in there, put the measurement, and accordingly you cut it. So I think that's the whole idea. Use of that one. And watching this one. Okay, oh, this is the okay tester. Okay, this is fiber cable tester, okay, like capacitor. Okay, is a visual fault locator. Okay, this is good. So this is what you get when you buy in combo. Okay, it's a case for this one. Okay, nice case. It's okay, and this battery also in there. So this one you get in the package, and the another one is what you have many in the box. I don't know. Okay, this is the clamp that you okay. Let me take it out. Okay, there we go. I think you put it in the fiber and you squeeze it, and then you just pull it out and rip the outer part, and quicker, just like it's cheaper. And then the another one what you have. Okay, oh, this is for the tester. As you put the fiber one in and this one, I think the lights will glow. And then after that you use the it's optical power meter. Okay, it's optical power meter. I think you test the strength of how much the power the lights going through. So I think this is the whole idea. Okay, this is 1 point cable, and I think one in you put it in there. So this is the one. It's also given the battery. That's nice. And the other one what we have, this one, the last one what I have. Let me pull this out. Okay. And that is fiber wire okay, slice, not slice it, but it will rip the outer part just when you put it in. Excuse me. Okay, so guys, so this is the package, this fiber splicer that I bought, and this is Allen key. It comes with, I think, it was on the this one. So this is what I have bought in the package, guys. Fiber cleaver, the connector, what do you call this one, pigtail or some, I forget the name, and then the cable stripper, optical fiber, optical power meter. This is the pen. What this is the visual fault locator, and the okay, optical fiber optics stripper. Okay, stripper. Okay, blah blah blah, and then the measurement cable. So this is what you get in the whole package. Okay guys, I hope this video will be enough for this one. Please like, subscribe and comment to help. Thank you guys. So this is the model, if you guys are interested.